Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best tools and gadgets to make your life easier. In today's video, we are diving into the best electric chainsaw for home use, showcasing powerful, reliable, and easy-to-handle options that are perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you are trimming branches, cutting firewood, or tackling storm cleanup, these electric chainsaws deliver performance without the hassle of gas. All the product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the #1 spot on our list is the Oregon Corded Electric Chainsaw, a reliable and powerful option designed specifically for homeowners and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Built with a 15-amp motor, this chainsaw delivers consistent cutting performance without the hassle of gasoline or frequent maintenance. It comes equipped with an 18-inch guide bar, giving you the ability to cut through thick branches, logs, and firewood with ease, making it a versatile tool for everyday home use. One of its standout features is the integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system, which allows you to sharpen the chain in just 3 to 5 seconds, drastically reducing downtime and ensuring that your chainsaw is always ready for the next task. Safety has also been prioritized, with its ergonomic design that includes a built-in chain brake, offering users extra protection during operation. Weighing only 12.6 pounds, this chainsaw is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during longer cutting sessions. Another major convenience is the tool-free chain tensioning system, which enables quick adjustments so that you can maintain the perfect chain tension for precise cuts without needing additional tools. The automatic lubrication system is another feature that enhances its durability by providing continuous oil flow to the bar and chain, minimizing friction and extending the overall lifespan of the equipment. With instant startup and low noise operation, this electric chainsaw offers a quieter and more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered models. If you are searching for a chainsaw that combines performance, safety, and ease of use, the Oregon Corded Electric Chainsaw is an excellent choice for home use. Taking the second spot is the Ego Power Plus 18-inch chainsaw, a premium battery-powered chainsaw that delivers the strength and performance of a traditional gasoline model without the noise, fumes, or constant maintenance. Designed with a powerful 56-volt 5Ah arc lithium battery, this chainsaw is capable of delivering up to 300 cuts on a single charge when working with standard 4x4 lumber, making it an excellent choice for both routine yard work and more demanding cutting tasks. Its 18-inch bar and chain give it the ability to handle thick branches, tree trunks, and firewood with ease, while the impressive 11,000 RPM brushless motor ensures efficient and clean cuts every time. The brushless motor not only boosts power, but also extends the overall life of the tool, giving you long-term durability. Built to withstand tough environments, the Ego Power Plus features IPX4 rated weather-resistant construction, which means it is prepared to handle outdoor work in varying conditions. It also comes equipped with bright LED lights that illuminate the work area, making it easier to cut safely even in low light settings. For added convenience, the tool-free chain tensioning system allows you to tighten the chain quickly and effortlessly with the twist of a dial, eliminating the need for extra tools. Weighing 14.5 pounds, it strikes a balance between power and manageability, offering comfortable handling during extended use. With its combination of cordless freedom, reliable battery life, and professional-grade performance, the Ego Power Plus 18-inch chainsaw stands out as a top contender for homeowners who want a powerful and versatile electric chainsaw for home use. Next on our list is the Greenworks Brushless Cordless Chainsaw, a lightweight yet powerful option that has been designed for homeowners who need a reliable tool for regular yard work, storm cleanup, and small to medium cutting projects. This chainsaw runs on a 40-volt battery system, giving you the freedom of cordless operation while still delivering the performance needed for demanding tasks. Equipped with a 16-inch bar, it is capable of handling branches, logs, and firewood with ease, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor power tools. At just 10.36 pounds, it is one of the lightest chainsaws in its class, reducing user fatigue during longer cutting sessions and providing excellent maneuverability. The advanced brushless motor technology ensures more power, longer run times, and extended motor life compared to traditional brushed motors, giving you long-lasting value and dependable performance. Safety is enhanced with the integrated chain brake, which helps reduce the risk of injury by stopping the chain quickly when necessary. The automatic oiling system keeps the bar and chain lubricated for smooth operation, reduced friction, and extended tool life. In addition, the toolless chain tensioning system makes bar and chain adjustments quick and effortless so that you can stay focused on the job rather than maintenance. This chainsaw is also extremely user-friendly with its push-button start, eliminating the need for gasoline, spark plugs, or pull cords. With no fumes, low noise, and minimal maintenance, the Greenworks Brushless Cordless Chainsaw is a practical and eco-friendly choice for home use, offering a balance of convenience, safety, and efficiency.
At number 4, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Chainsaw Kit brings a compact and highly efficient solution for both construction professionals and homeowners who want a portable and powerful cutting tool. This cordless chainsaw is equipped with a 12-inch low kickback bar and chain, making it ideal for trimming branches, cutting lumber, and handling smaller outdoor cutting projects with safety and precision. Weighing only 9 pounds with the battery attached, it offers excellent maneuverability and user control, reducing fatigue during extended use and making it especially useful in tight spaces or overhead cutting situations. Despite its lightweight and compact design, the chainsaw is powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor that maximizes runtime, improves cutting power, and extends overall motor life, ensuring long-lasting performance. On a single charge with a 20-volt max 5.0 Ah battery, this tool is capable of delivering up to 90 cuts through 4x4 pressure-treated wood, providing impressive productivity for its size. Convenience is another highlight of the DEWALT 20V Max XR, thanks to its tool-free chain tensioning system and bar tightening knob that allow quick adjustments to maintain optimal cutting performance without requiring additional tools. With no gasoline, no pull cords, and no complex maintenance, this chainsaw starts instantly at the push of a button and offers a clean, quiet, and user-friendly cutting experience. Compact, reliable, and built for durability, the DEWALT's 20V Max XR Chainsaw Kit is the perfect choice for homeowners and professionals who want a portable yet efficient chainsaw for everyday use. Finally, taking the 5th spot is the Husqvarna Power Axe Electric Chainsaw, a modern cordless solution that combines power, efficiency, and convenience for homeowners who want professional-grade performance without the hassle of gasoline. This 18-inch battery-powered chainsaw comes as an all-in-one kit with both the battery and charger included, so you can get started right out of the box. Despite its lightweight design at only 7.72 pounds, it delivers cutting power that surpasses many comparable gasoline chainsaws, making it a strong contender for heavy-duty home use. One of its standout features is the Husqvarna X-Cut chain, engineered for superior sharpness and long-lasting performance, reducing the frequency of maintenance and giving you consistent cutting results. Adjustments are simple and hassle-free, thanks to the toolless tensioning system, allowing you to keep the chain properly tightened with ease. The brushless motor is designed for durability and efficiency, offering a quiet yet powerful cutting experience while extending the overall life of the tool. For times when extra power is required, the chainsaw includes a boost mode that delivers 25% more cutting force with just the push of a button, making tough jobs easier to manage. Powered by Husqvarna's 40-volt lithium-ion battery system, the Power Axe not only provides reliable runtime, but also offers compatibility across a range of Husqvarna handheld tools, maximizing versatility for your outdoor equipment. With its lightweight build, efficient performance, and advanced features, the Husqvarna Power Axe Electric Chainsaw is an excellent final pick for those seeking the best electric chainsaw for home use.